What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Sticks. It is like 4 a.m. in the morning, 3 a.m. in the morning. I could not sleep. Very excited. We did it. We did it. We finally reached 100 subscribers on YouTube, and I know that's nothing. I know that's a very tiny amount, and that maybe it might be just a little too silly to be this happy about it. But I am so happy. 100 subs, only 900 more to go. But hey, I am very happy. So why make this video? The entire reason I'm making this video is I want to give you guys the opportunity again. And I'm probably gonna do this for 24 hours. So let's say today is Monday. You have until you know what? You have until Tuesday. All right. So give you guys an opportunity to get some money. I am going to be picking a person at random, so one person to win $100. I know it's only $100, but hey, it's literally free money that you have to do almost little to no work on. So what do you have to do? You have to first subscribe to the channel. You have to like the video, and then you have to comment on the video. It has to be a comment with some substance to it or substance to it. It can't be a letter or one word. Just how it can be something like "Hi Sticks, how are you? I'm doing great." Something like that. Very simple, but it has to be a real comment. All right. The other thing that you have to do is oh, and by the way, I'm going to be picking a video at random. So a comment from that random video, a random comment from that random video. So it would benefit everyone that's commenting or that wants to win to do it on every single video. I know that's kind of crazy, but it is what it is. So the more you do it, obviously, the more chances you have of winning. So if you do it only on one video, odds are less than if you do it on every single video. I hope that makes sense. Another thing I am doing with the giveaways, because I'm going to be doing this for every 100 subscribers. Hey, look at that. We did it. I'm going to be doing this for every 100 subscribers. That means that every single time the YouTube channel gets to 100, I'm going to be giving money away. So 100 subscribers, I'm giving $100. 200 subscribers, I'm giving $200. 300 subscribers, I'm giving $300, etc. So yeah, that should be fun. We have basically until Wednesday. I'm giving you until Wednesday. Wednesday night, I'm going to be picking someone live on stream. And of course, recording it and putting it on YouTube. So I'm going to be picking someone live on stream. The money will be sent to you via PayPal or Venmo, whichever you prefer, whichever you have. So yeah, so there's that. I won't be mailing a check. I won't be mailing anything like that. I'm not gonna show my address. But yeah. So I hope you guys win. And the other cool thing about this that I forgot to mention was that most people that do giveaways, it's like, hey, you win once and that's it. Not here. Here you can win multiple times. So let's say that you won at 100 subscribers, and let's say when I get to 200 subscribers, you have a chance to still win. So you can win multiple times. I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, feel free to uh, comment and like the videos away. I'm not sure. I might do $200 because I feel generous today. I know it's only $200, nothing to be excited about. But it's literally $200 for not doing anything. So there you go. Um, that's it. I hope you win. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.